What is the ECO VOX mode feature on BabyPal's 3.5-inch no Wi-Fi side-backed sounds baby monitor? ECO VOX mode is an energy-saving feature that puts the baby monitor screen to sleep and automatically wakes the screen on when your baby monitor detects sound or movement. This function is designed to reduce power and extend the battery life of your baby monitor, especially overnight when your baby, pet or elderly person is asleep at night. Press the microphone button to activate the ECO VOX mode feature. You will see at the bottom of the baby monitor screen a menu called Vox in red and blue. ECO VOX mode lets you toggle between off, low, medium, high. ECO VOX mode low will appear with a L letter at the top of the BabyPal baby monitor display. ECO VOX mode medium will appear with a M letter at the top of the BabyPal baby monitor display. ECO VOX mode high will appear with a H letter at the top of the BabyPal baby monitor display. To turn ECO VOX mode off, just hover off or press the microphone button. Your Parenthood recommends you activate the ECO VOX mode at night when your baby, pet or elderly person is sleeping at night or during naps. When the room is quieter and you don't need constant audio or video streaming.